You know what? As I create these different tips for you, excuse me, I'm still a little congested, but as I create these different tips for you, I I don't have an order to them. I actually create them as I think about them or as I'm in the kitchen, excuse me, doing something. And I'm sitting out here in my backyard. There was some sun. I was getting a little sun, but it's gone away. And I wanted to give you this tip because I think this is really, really valid. The best way to learn how or to become a better cook is to always ask yourself why you're doing something. Let me give you a couple of examples. When you squeeze lemon on an apple to stop the apple from browning, why is the apple browning when you cut it? And it's browning because air, oxygen, is hitting that apple and that's causing it to brown. And the lemon will slow that process down. Same thing with the avocado. And why is it that your brown sugar clumps up into clumps? And the reason that it does that is because is the moisture is being evaporated from the sugar, and the way to replace that, or one way to replace that, you can actually heat up the sugar, but you can also drop a piece of bread in the sugar and allow moisture to go back in there, and the sugar will soften up and you just break up those clumps. Those are two or three tips that I could give you, or two or three examples of why things happen. And whenever you're doing something, you're following a recipe, you're following somebody's instructions, and you're just following them blindly, that really doesn't help you that much. But if you can learn to ask yourself why you're doing it, it'll actually make sense to you, and you can apply that reasoning why to other things that you're doing in your kitchen. I hope that makes sense, and I hope this tip helps you. But the tip is to, whenever you're doing anything, always ask yourself internally, ask why. All right, I'm Val Taylor. I'll see y'all on the next video. Y'all go out and make it a great day. Bye now. Ooh, this congestion is getting on my nerve. Bye now.